Hey, I'm Nate with NatureShield Eco-Friendly Car Care Products. And if you're looking for a no-nonsense, safe to handle, and highly effective cleaning solution to your cleaning problems, you've come to the right place. Today, I want to show you our citrus foaming cleaner. NatureShield's Eco-Friendly Citrus Foaming Cleaner, as the name says, is loaded with foaming citrus delimonene. This easily penetrates, cleans up soil, stains, grease, grime, virtually on any surface, and it leaves behind a really sweet fragrance of citrus. So if you want your cleaning to look good and smell good, you need citrus foaming cleaner. Let me show you how this stuff works. It's really easy. Citrus foaming cleaner loaded with foaming citrus delimonene. Simple. It's like spraying a can of orange juice, jar of orange juice on your seat. You can apply the product directly to the seat surface. It can get on the hard surface, a soft surface. Usually let it sit anywhere from 10, 20 to 30 seconds, depending on the dirt. If you need to, sometimes you'll use a little bit of agitation with a brush. Again, a nylon brush, they're safe. You can get them on our site. They're safe for cloth, leather, vinyl, anything. You wipe the entire surface with the brush, agitating if you need. When you're done, take your shop rag, your cleaning rag, and wipe the surface clean. Not only is it clean, but it smells great when you're done. It dries very quickly.